Hello and welcome to week 1, day 1 of Da Vinci Tree's online learning. My name is Matt Roll and I'm here with Miss Kaufman over here.
Hello, good morning.
And we are here every morning as we normally would be at school to do the pledge and joke. But before we begin with the pledge and joke, as always, we want to begin with our announcements. And so our announcement for the morning is discussing the recent first place win at the SARSEF Science Fair for our kindergarten class. Let's give them a round of applause. All right, so Ms. Kaufman, can you tell us a little bit about your experiment that won first place at the SARSEF Science Fair?
Thank you, Mr. Roll, for mentioning our science project. They worked very hard on it. And we did our science project on wondering if you could taste food the same with smell as without smell. And so we found out that it is definitely easier to decipher what food is with smell by our graph and things like that. So we entered it in the SARSEF and we won first place. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, Ms. Kaufman, and again, a big congratulations to all of our kindergartners for winning first prize at the SARSEF Science Fair. That was just fantastic. As you may have noticed, Ms. Kaufman and myself are not standing right next to each other as we normally would. On our videos, we're going to be practicing something called social distancing. So kids, now that there is this virus going around, the COVID-19 virus, you want to make sure that if you are standing next to somebody in public, you are staying about 5 or 6 feet away from them. That social distancing will help keep you safe from getting sick. And so as you watch our videos throughout the days here, you will notice that we are all practicing social distancing. Well, at this time, as always, it's time for us to get our joke of the day in, and Ms. Kaufman is going to be telling us our joke of the day today. So back to you, Ms. Kaufman.
For the joke of the day, it is, how do you know that hot is faster than cold?
How do you know?
Because you can catch a cold. All right, if you're with us today, I want you to stand up, put your right hand on your heart, and face a flag if you have one. Ready? I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All right, I guess we're ready to begin our class.
Hi class, welcome to week 1, day 1. Today's agenda is math, understanding area, ELA, answering questions about a story, story time, Arusha and the end of time, grammar, introduction to nouns. We're going to work on our spelling list number 1 practice. Social studies is ancient China test prep. We're going to have our test on Friday, so we're going to start studying with it. It's going to be lots of fun. And science, weather and climate, chapter 1, the atmosphere and pressure. Hi, welcome to week 1, day 1, and we're in math, and we're going to be talking about area today. If you were in my class before, we had started talking about perimeter, which is this line around the shape. But today we're going to start talking about area, which is everything else that is in the middle of this shape. Area. And so one way we can do that is by doing squares in here. But I'm not going to teach that part of the lesson. Khan Academy is going to hook you up, and there's going to be a link. So you're going to click on the Intro to Area and Unit Square video. Then you're going to do 2 practices. Trust me, they're very short. Understand area practice and find area by counting unit squares practice. And when those are both done, you're going to come back and we're going to do ELA.
Finding the Khan Academy lesson might be a little tricky. Kids, if you need help, please ask a parent or guardian to help you find it. There is a link on the DaVinciTree.Academy website. That is the second link right after this video that will take you directly to the lesson. If you cannot get back to the website, you can follow these easy instructions on how to get to the lesson. Again, it is a little bit tricky, so you might need the help of one of your parents or a guardian.